Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews. First, are you looking for the top 5 best hard folding tonneau cover in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best hard folding tonneau cover in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Tyger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a practical and stylish upgrade designed to protect your truck bed while enhancing overall performance. Built with heavy-duty marine-grade vinyl, this cover offers excellent resistance against weather, dirt, and UV damage, keeping your cargo safe and secure in all conditions. Its roll-up design provides full bed access when needed, making it ideal for both work and everyday use. The T1 features strong aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps for a secure, drill-free installation that can be completed in minutes. A Velcro edge sealing system and adjustable tension control help maintain a tight, wrinkle-free fit even during long drives. This snug design not only improves appearance, but also helps reduce wind drag, which may contribute to better fuel efficiency. With a sleek, low-profile look and durable construction, the Tyger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover combines convenience, protection, and value, making it a smart choice for truck owners who want reliable performance without sacrificing style. Number 2. The Toptiny Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover HDF011 is designed for truck owners who want strong protection, sleek styling, and everyday convenience. Built with durable aluminum panels, this hard folding cover offers excellent resistance against weather, UV exposure, and impact, helping keep your cargo safe in all driving conditions. Its low-profile design sits flush with the truck bed, enhancing aerodynamics while giving your vehicle a clean, modern appearance. Installation is quick and hassle-free, requiring no drilling or special tools. The tri-fold structure allows easy access to your truck bed, letting you fold the cover toward the cab when hauling larger items. Secure locking panels work seamlessly with your tailgate to help deter theft and provide peace of mind. The Toptiny HDF011 also improves fuel efficiency by reducing wind drag, making it both practical and economical. Engineered for a precise fit, it seals tightly to prevent water and dust intrusion. This tonneau cover is an ideal upgrade for drivers seeking durability, functionality, and refined style today now. Number 3. Autosaver 88 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is designed to fit Toyota Tacoma owners who want reliable protection with everyday convenience. Built from durable, weather-resistant vinyl, this cover shields your truck bed from rain, dust, snow, and harsh sunlight, helping keep cargo clean and secure. The trifold design allows quick access to your bed while maintaining flexibility for hauling larger items when needed. Installation is simple and drill-free, using strong clamps that attach securely to your Tacoma without damaging the truck. Reinforced aluminum frames and crossbars provide stability at highway speeds, reducing flapping and improving fuel efficiency by minimizing wind drag. The low-profile, sleek black finish enhances the overall appearance of your Tacoma while delivering practical performance. When fully closed, the cover offers added security by keeping valuables out of sight. Whether for work, travel, or daily driving, the Autosaver 88 Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover delivers dependable protection, easy operation, and a perfect balance of style, durability, and functionality for your Toyota Tacoma owners seeking long-lasting value and trusted performance. Number 4. Upgrade your truck with the Autosaver 88 Hard Quad Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, designed for strength, style, and everyday convenience. Built with durable aluminum panels and reinforced hinges, this cover delivers dependable protection against weather, dust, and road debris while maintaining a sleek, low-profile look. The quad-fold design allows flexible access to your truck bed, letting you fold 1, 2, or all panels to accommodate cargo of different sizes without removing the cover. Installation is quick and hassle-free, requiring no drilling and using secure clamp-on hardware for a tight, stable fit. Integrated weather seals help keep your cargo dry, while the hard surface adds an extra layer of security compared to soft covers. Engineered to improve aerodynamics, the Autosaver 88 tonneau cover may also help reduce wind drag for better fuel efficiency. Whether you're hauling tools, luggage, or outdoor gear, this hard quad fold cover offers reliable performance, enhanced security, and a polished finish that complements your truck's rugged appearance. Perfect for daily driving, work demands, and weekend adventures alike everywhere. Number 5. Upgrade your truck's style and functionality with the FASTFIT HTL low-profile hard trifold tonneau cover. Designed for durability and convenience, this premium trifold cover provides a sleek, low-profile look while protecting your cargo from the elements. Its hard panel construction ensures superior strength and security, keeping your gear safe from rain, snow, and theft. Installation is simple and tool-free, thanks to the innovative clamp-on design, allowing you to get on the road quickly without drilling or permanent modifications. The trifold panels offer versatility, giving you quick access to your truck bed while maintaining a streamlined appearance when closed. Crafted for long-lasting performance, the FASTFIT HTL cover features a weather-resistant finish that resists fading and scratches, maintaining its sharp look over time. Lightweight yet robust, it enhances fuel efficiency compared to heavier covers, and its modern design complements any truck style. Whether for work or weekend adventures, the FASTFIT HTL low-profile hard trifold tonneau cover is the ultimate blend of protection, convenience, and style for your truck.